Paano magbayad sa SpayLater gamit ang InstaPay? Una, pumunta sa Shopee app. Next, go to me. Click SpayLater. At to ang bill ko ay 4,070.9 pesos. Pay now. Payment method. Check ang InstaPay. Try natin yung payment center o e-wallet. Hanapin natin yung GCash kung nandito. Wala. Confirm na. Pay now. Tap on save QR code or screenshot this page. Akin screenshot kasi mas understandable. Hindi pa na InstaPay. Tap on save QR code or screenshot this page. Open the e-wallet or mobile banking app on your device. Pay via QR code. After successful payment will be repayment in repayment result. Go to GCash. May tama na tayong pera. Go to QR. Upload QR. Hanapin yung picture na na-save natin. Yung screenshot. Tsaka yung walang extra hidden fee dito. Kung ano yung utang nyo, yan din ang babayaran nyo. Kailangan ko lang ma-ebidensya. I-download ko lang yung resibo. Click X. Thank you for using GCash. Yan. Bukas na yung pera ko. View my SpayLater. As you can see, for 65.7 na lang ang bill ko. Due date 5 February 2025. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell para laging updated sa bagong videos.